inspire the youth of the Bahamas to consider pursuing careers in technology.
It helped me choose a career choice. I was thinking about piloting, but since I come to this camp, civil engineering is really my core now. So.
It's really fun. It's just you and all of your ideas, watching them come to life.
The goal of Hack It is to change the way the youth views their career options. We want them to know that they can expose themselves to technology concepts and build a business before they even go to college that could be successful.
I like how they join the entrepreneurship into it, making a business from what you like to do.
And that's what excites me about Hack It Bahamas. We get them together, we expose them to these fundamentals, and they select an idea that they think is important, and it's just wow.
Our invention was basically a communications device, but also a generator, so that whether you're in the midst of a hurricane or you're in the middle of the sea and you're stranded, you're able to get attention. You're able to communicate with someone on land to tell them that you need help or something, and you're also able to get a little bit of power fueled by water from the flooding. So like plug in your phone, or if you need to you want to send a radio signal for help, so if there's a dire emergency, it works out.
So the product is centered around the detection of puddles and obstacles in the road. So essentially our plan was to put cameras on front of a car, put it into an Arduino, which does image processing and allows it to process all the data, therefore alerting the driver of an obstacle within the road.
The kids' ideas get better and we get better as well. And so we've started to adapt to what the kids' interests are. And so we brought in more hardware, we've done deeper dives, and with our partner, Alive, the connectivity is key. So all of these ideas require coverage and bandwidth and such, and they're going to be able to ride on the back of Alive's networks to deliver technology advancements that the Bahamas deserves.
Interesting thing I learned was the new app that was created. I thought it was really cool how you could use the map and scan it and then like everything would pop up. I thought that was really cool.
Discover Maps. Discovery.
Showing them a little bit about our new app. It's called Discover. It's a augmented reality app where you can discover cultural heritage sites in the Bahamas in a 2D version. So you scan a map with your phone and the camera picks it up in 2D and actually gives you a virtual tour guide of the most popular sites in the Bahamas.
Known as the apostle to the Far East, Xavier was born to an aristocratic family in the Basque region of Spain in April 1506.
They have a really cool new app where if you download the app, you while being downtown, it shows you a lot of cool facts and artifacts and all kind of stuff about the area, which I thought was really cool.
I think it's important for Lab to sponsor events like this because it gives students the opportunity to learn about engineering, mathematics, science, and technology. I find that especially in the Bahamas, there's a reluctancy to pursue a career because it is seen as difficult. But as evident from this competition, anyone can put their minds to technology and invention.
Choose something you like, focus on, and always have a good attitude and you'll be great.